Alright guys, good morning. It is Thursday, July 23rd. Market opens up here in about 1 minute. I'm just going to be filming my live trades today. Goals today are not using 10 shares. I'm going to actually either take a loss or make a trade today. There's no point trading 10 shares and just making a couple cents. So that's the plan for today. A make it or break it day. Adios. Alright guys, we went long CBay here at 488, looking for this initial morning high and VWAP and some EMAs to hold. That'll be a $6 loss, so I think this is a pretty good setup. I'm just going to let this go here. You can see that the trade line right now is coming right up to VWAP. So I'm looking for this thing to make a move over. I'm going to sell 25% of it on a push through the high of day. And my final take profit will be just under $6. This is a TTG triangle, but yeah, right here we're breaking. I'm going to cancel that because we're going to break there. I'll get back in if this thing decides to break to the upside. If we get a volume push here, I'll get back in. Right now we're below VWAP. We're going to flush here now. There you have it. That's why I stopped out right there. So taking a $3 hit there, nothing we cannot recover from. This was a failed TTG triangle. And you can see right there I got out as soon as we really started to close below VWAP there. Okay guys, I hopped in a long here on YVR on a pullback. Should have gotten ECN rebates here, so I will pay attention to that. 25 shares there at 251. This thing popped above VWAP, and it looks pretty good. It looks like it's ripe for a move to the all-time or the high of day at least. Stop loss for this will be right around VWAP. I'm not going to put a market stop on this one. I'm just going to let this one do its thing a little bit. I'm going to have the same plan that I had for CBay, selling half through this, another half at around 290, and then the last bit I'm going to try and hold up to $3 here. Wow, really nasty pullbacks. What the fudge? Dude. That was not normal. That is not normal action right there. Not sure what that was. What the hell? I don't like that at all. So man, what is wrong with these small caps today? That was a horribly bad pullback. But technically we tested VWAP, so let's see what this thing's got. Can it get over 260 on this push here? That would be nice. Some volume coming in now. Can we push over 260? And try and let go of half it there just because I'm not really loving this setup. Okay, half off there. You gotta be kidding. I just don't like how it pulled back so hard. It shows weakness. But I'll sell the other half if we get to the high of day. Man, I'm just seeing weakness all over. Gonna let go of it there. These small caps are not trading good today. I see a setup I kind of like here on CBay, but man, is everything just crap in the bed. The SPY's dumping. Not a single one of these small caps have had really any follow through. And there it goes. It looks like it's breaking down. Okay, guys, so today, that might be it today. Down like $3, including commissions. Nothing is holding up. The action's super, super choppy. I feel like today would be like yesterday, even though yesterday it was me that wasn't working. Today it's the market. So, like, man, just disgusting. So, guys, that might be it. I don't want to risk any money today. I risked it here on this really nice TTG triangle setup, and it didn't work out at all. Alright, I took a long here on IBIO at 615. I'm looking for this thing to bounce off the initial high of day, the 38.2 Fibonacci, and this VWAP. So we got a 3 support level confirmation, and I'm pretty much just looking for like instant resolution. If this thing's gonna bounce, it's gonna bounce like right away. Once again, long there at 615. But once again, 3 points here. The Fibonacci, the initial high of day should now be support, and VWAP. So this should have a bounce of some sort. I'm not going to mess around with any rebates or anything today. Today's a day where you're taking your profits quick off the table. So took off half there. Putting a sell order out there at 634. Can we fill it? Yes, we can. All right, that was a good one. That was a good trade. Once again, should get some sort of rebate for that because that was providing liquidity. So we'll see. But that was a really nice setup right there. Happy with how that went. And right there is why I took my profits quickly today. You can see today's really, really choppy. So almost coming all the way back down to my entry there. The low of that candle was 2 cents above my initial entry. Really nice entry, by the way. I could re-enter here, but I know the first bounce is always going to be the strongest. So don't think I am. This is just today, so just gotta take profits quick today. That's what it is. Alright, looks like I kind of missed out on this missed break of VWAP entry. I could have got in there, but I just didn't end up pulling the trigger. My plan now is I'm going to wait till this breaks the high of day, because that still is a gap fill. It's a weird area, 958. Maybe I'll buy once it breaks the high of day and it has a bit more momentum behind it. Okay, so we ended up going long on MIST just now at 860 with 25 shares, so pretty decent sized position here. Man, this thing is choppy. Hopefully the shorts are trying to cover right now. Damn, dude. This thing is so choppy. Oh, wow. Should have stayed out of that one and did what I literally said one clip ago. Wow. I gotta get out of this thing, dude. It's a fucking disaster. Oh my god, dude. I'm not sure what's going on right now. These things are messed up. Dude, I gotta get out of this. Sold out there. Alright guys, that's gonna be it for me today. Taking a loss today, about $16. It's pretty crappy, all from this freaking missed trade. I don't remember the last time I saw a leading gapper just be in like a range like this all day. Very, 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 very weird action. You can see that this is the last trade I took. It finally broke above VWAP, and I shouldn't have taken this trade. It was clear that this thing was algo manipulated or something. Very, very weird action. As you can see here, everything just chop. YBR, ENTX selling off. Everything just chop. Even like the IBIO trade I had, luckily I took my profits quick on that. YBR selling off now. Good thing I got out of that. CBay, also glad I got out of that. This is just today, so I'm not gonna dig myself a hole any deeper today, and I'm going to just take the L and accept that. I had some good setups today, like the CBay TTG triangle was really nice and stuff, and the market's just super, super choppy today, so there's not much you can do about that. Here's the SPY. Just, yeah, undecisive choppy action. So it is what it is today, taking an L, an end to the green streak, and giving back a good amount of those gains. But I'm not too upset. I had good setups today, and it's just, it is what it is. Yeah, that's going to be it, guys. Adios. Alright, I just wanted to add one more little thing to this video, guys. I just want to say bag holding is never a good idea. Anytime you know you're wrong in your setup or your trade, it's better to have a plan where you're going to cut your loss and cut it there. As you can see, this thing eventually broke support, so everyone that was long here, bag holding, is going to start selling now. And there's no way this thing's making it back up past $8 today. So when you know you're wrong, you just got to bite the bullet and sell and take the L, because more often than not, it'll get a lot worse if you're the last one to sell holding the bag. So